Need to pay pennies without the pain? XRP's got you covered. XRP is perfect for micropayments, thanks to its low transaction fees and fast processing. Here's how to get started. First, choose a compatible wallet. You can go with a dedicated XRP wallet or a multi-currency one that supports XRP. Next, fund your wallet by purchasing XRP from a cryptocurrency exchange and transferring it in. Now comes the fun part. Enter the recipient's XRP wallet address and the small amount you want to send. Double-check the details and confirm the transaction. Easy peasy. XRP micropayments are great for content monetization, allowing creators to charge small fees for articles, videos, or music. You can also tip online, making it simple to support your favorite creators or service providers. Plus, in gaming, XRP is perfect for those tiny in-game purchases and upgrades. So why wait? Dive into the world of micropayments with XRP today.